Okay, I'm going to try to show you how to remove backgrounds using Magic Eraser and in Procreate itself. So you go into your printable and you export it as an image. And when you export it, you're going to click Save Image. And that way it's going to save it to your photos. Now once you've done that, you can get out of your GoodNotes and go to Magic Eraser. You're going to click the photo button. You're going to choose your picture that you want to take the background out of, and you can crop it a little if you want to. And then you're going to choose the wand and bring it down to about 10% or so. Take your pencil and click anywhere on it after you've changed it to the transparent background. And I noticed that it took some of my color, but I put it on the black because that shows up a little easier. So I'm going to go remove the excess white that I don't need, and then I will show you how to go back in and restore the color that it took out that we didn't need it to take out. You would hit the restore button at the bottom, and then you just go in and you color the areas that it took the color out of to replace what is now missing. And you can adjust the size of your little red dot there. Just do those places. Then I take and I pull it back out and I look at it again, and I noticed a couple of white places over with the group with the Bible. So I click on that to take the white, and I did a mistake, so I hit the undo button and brought it down a little bit, and I was able to get the white out without taking any of the other color. So now that I've done that, I can click on the check box at the top right, and it is going to give me my transparent background. Then I click on the box with the arrow, and then I click save, and it will save it to my photos. And so now I go back into GoodNotes because I'm going to use a different copy of that printable for Procreate. So I again tap the box with the arrow, export the page as an image, and this time I'm going to choose Procreate. And you'll see it pop up there, and you just choose Procreate, and it'll send it to Procreate. And so then you close out your GoodNotes, and then you are going to, I think I was just showing you that I have sticker pages for that, and then I had to go back in and get my Bible page, and I chose that one and realized that most of y'all might be using the Remarkable Bible, so I went and got that one instead. And I pulled out Colossians chapter 4, verse 12. I'm going to export that the same way we did the picture. It's the box with the arrow. Export the image or the page as an image into Procreate. And it'll send it, you'll see it send into Procreate. So then I'm going to close that out, and then I'm going to open up Procreate. I don't know what happened there. So I'm going to click on the picture that we just imported in, and I am going to choose the S tool at the top left, which is your select tool. Then I'm going to make sure automatic is highlighted blue. Tap anywhere on the picture, and it's going to take out your background. Then I go through again, taking out the extra white spaces, and I did notice it still took out part of her collar and the other little boy's shirt, but I think you can go back in and color those once you add your image to the page. So that's all it is. I'm just making sure I get all the extra white spaces just like we did over in Magic Eraser. And I normally do, once I get to this point, I take 3 fingers and touch the screen and swipe down, and I get a menu. And I do cut, 3 finger swipe, copy, and then I go to the Bible page, 3 fingers down, paste. But you can't see that. So I'm going to use the actual just tools here in Procreate, not the shortcuts. So now that we have that done, you want to go to your wrench tool. I think I got a little ahead of myself. Wrench tool, and hit cut. Then you're going to tap off of it. Go back to your wrench tool and hit copy. Then you want to go into your gallery, hit your Bible page. Then you want to hit the wrench tool again and paste. And there it puts your image ready for you to select which parts of it that you want to use in your journaled page. So hopefully that kind of gives you options on which way you might better like to remove backgrounds. Either way works, and it's just up to you, and good luck and have lots of fun.